Hello, and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. In this channel, I show you guys a Python program, my first Python program, that is built to do some automated trading on the Nasdaq, with its goal to have some passive income. Trading gives income, but doing it in a passive way would be better. And in a daily report, I show you guys what I changed in the code, if there are changes in the code, how the bot did, how the bot functions, and how we did on the market. And if we want to know how we did it today, just stay. And as usual, we start with changes in the code. So let's fetch the code screen. And last Friday, before I ended, I told you guys there was something wrong in the order of things. Things didn't work well, and I wonder why there was something strange going on there. And so I looked in the weekend, because I was planning to do in the weekend to do some coding. That's what I told. Let's do in the weekend to look at it. And then I edited the video to you guys before I put it, of course, on the internet. And I saw that in the review of the market conditions, that the slow market, normal market, that triggered the buy was the last thing that happened. It was 4:30. Hey, what? Last? Cannot be. So I found what was wrong, and it was rather simple, and I have to take a look at it. Yes, it was in this piece of code, in the normal things to go in the loop that does the bot does every 3 minutes, going through everything. And there was a error that's called return, and I didn't see that, and because I put it in to see if there was a contract open, etc., but I forgot to remove it. And return means the end of the loop, so nothing happened, anything. So all I had to do was to remove the return, and everything was okay. But today, I looked at it today. I wasn't at home all day, so I had to add the evening to look at things that happened. But today, we had some things too. Those were the changes in the code. And now let's go to the bot. And if we look at the bot, and I want to bring it more up, let's make it a bit bigger. In the bot, you see we have a green background, which means the last thing we did was a buy. So the bot is functioning again. And we also see that after 400 and almost 50 candles, we had a profit today of €60. And that is not bad at all. I'm happy that we had €60. But, yeah, there is a but. And while doing this and while watching this, I saw a couple of things that I'm not happy with, because what the bot did or didn't do. And one of those things was that the positive counter, the positive profit loss counter, this one, 0.20, did not came up, was not 1 or 2 or 3. Even when I saw that there was more than 20 minutes, the bot did not close. So there is still an error on this part, that the bot doesn't have the counter, so I have to take a look at it because market is closed. So it's only a small thing I have to look at why he doesn't do this. But more seriously is the part of opening 2 positions right after each other, not at the same time, but right after each other. And I still haven't found out why he does it, but I have some idea where it could be. So I have to take a look at that one too in a couple of minutes. And the third thing I was not happy about is the trailing stop loss of 45 points. I did it, retried it, and I'm not happy with 45 points. Why? You wonder why. Well, we go to the last part of the video. It will be a short one in this way because it's just reporting what we did. And I want to take a look not at the bot, but now we're going to take a look at the market. And if we take a look at the market, we see we had an active market today, ups and downs, and a long way down. That's why the bot made some profits. You can see it here, and then we went back up, and then we went for the last for the last hour or so. Yeah, the last hour, we went sideways, as in slow market. But we had a rather active market, and that was good in one direction. That's always good. The bot reacts on it. And now let's take a look at the reports of today. That's where I want to point it out at. Look at the reports of today. We had a slow start at a negative of 2 euros and then a positive of 12, almost 13 euros, and then 3 right behind each other of a negative 13, 10, and 11, and another one 7. And those numbers are too large. And too large means that the stop loss is triggered too late, which means, if I go back to the bot, that the trailing stop loss of 45 is too much. It should be lower. And I've watched back to, so I watched the last couple of trades that the bot was open, and I was looking at especially these last one, as in what means 45 points. At a certain point we had on this stage right here, the profit we had was for that position €9.45. Nice. But when I asked what would be the stop loss profit, and you can see it after when a position is open, then the stop loss profit would have been €1.23. That's a difference of €8. That's too much. And if you look at this one, €40, 40 points means from 20,483 to 20,400, and we were in the up, yeah. So 20,400. Wait. That I'm telling this correct. 483 back to 20,444. Some in this region is 40 points. And that meant €8. And that's a lot. So, looking at the bot, I'm thinking that I'm going to change the trailing stop loss to a smaller stop loss, and I need to find out why he is still opening double positions. Why is he still doing this? And looking at the reports today, after this, we had, you can see right here, 5 to 9. Both sides, luckily, they were both positive, 11 and 18. Then we had another one, 77 cents. It's normal within stop loss. Then a €16 profit, a 0 exactly at the stop loss as in, okay, 9-cent loss, and then twice again at the same time opened and those were lucky again, both positive and brought in a nice profit for us in total. Which means that for today, we went from, for the start of the week, from 568, almost 69, to, come on, move, to 628. And that's a very nice profit, but I'm not happy. What? Yeah, because the way the profit is formed. It's not a profit in the way that I think, yeah, the bot did what it should have done and we make 50 euro profit. Now, it's, by the way, it's not 50, I see it's almost 60 euro profit. And the bot makes 60 euro profit. No. So I'm gonna dive in the code and gonna find out, and I have an idea why A, the positive counter is not working as it should be, and B, why he's opening two positions at the same time. That's what I'm gonna do. Which brings us to the end of the video. And if you like the video, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I want to know what you think, how the bot is functioning, and what we should do. And have a little fun every day. See you guys tomorrow.